Hey guys, it's Warren Nash and we are making vegetable lasagna. This is packed full of your favourite vegetables in a creamy white sauce, topped off with pasta and grated cheddar cheese. This is everything you could possibly want in a vegetarian family meal. Now to start with, we're going to prepare our vegetables. So take 1 pepper, 1 aubergine, 1 head of broccoli and 1 courgette. Make sure they're all washed and then chop into similar sized pieces. Now take a roasting dish from the oven where you've heated up some olive oil, then add your chopped vegetables into the dish. Give the vegetables a quick stir to make sure they're all coated in some of the olive oil, then return to an oven that's preheated to 200 degrees centigrade, which is 390 Fahrenheit. Then leave to roast in the oven for 30 minutes while stirring halfway through cooking. And meanwhile, we'll prepare our tomato-based sauce. So take 1 large onion, slice the ends off, slice in half, then peel, then with a sharp knife, carefully finely chop. Also take 2 garlic cloves, again peel and finely chop, then set aside with the onion. Now place the saucepan over a medium heat on the stove and heat up a small amount of olive oil. Then add the chopped onions and garlic and fry for 5 minutes. Next, take 1 can of peeled plum tomatoes and pour these into the saucepan. Also add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Mix these ingredients together and season with a small amount of salt and pepper if you feel the sauce needs it. And now leave the sauce to simmer over a low heat for 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened up nicely. And next we're also going to prepare our white sauce. So add 25 grams of butter to a saucepan and allow it to melt, then add 25 grams of plain flour. Mix these 2 ingredients together over a low heat to make a roux. Then pour in 300 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk and add 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now whisk until the sauce has thickened up nicely whilst remaining over a low heat. And this typically takes about 10 minutes. So, once your vegetables have finished roasting, take them from the oven. Also take your tomato sauce once you're happy with the thickness of it, then pour it over the vegetables. Stir the sauce into the veg, then briefly set the veg aside in a separate bowl so we can begin layering up our lasagna. So, in your roasting dish, start by adding some dried pasta sheets to the bottom. Now spoon back in half of the vegetable and tomato sauce mix, level it off, then add another layer of dried pasta sheets. And when you're happy with the thickness of your white sauce, pour half of the white sauce over this middle layer. Make sure it's evenly spread over the pasta, then add the rest of the vegetables in tomato sauce to this layer. Again, make sure the filling is as level as it can be, then finish your lasagna off with a final layer of dried pasta. Pour over the remaining white sauce, make sure it's evenly spread, then take 65 grams of grated cheddar cheese. Evenly sprinkle this all over the top of your lasagna, then place it back into an oven where the heat's been reduced to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, then bake for about 25 minutes until the cheese has turned lovely and golden on top. And that is how to make a really tasty vegetarian lasagna that's full of your favourite vegetables.